Republican leaders and Trump administration officials are speeding to draft a major economic relief package that now includes significant provisions requested by Democrats, including an increase in unemployment insurance benefits.
Lawmakers on Capitol Hill are drafting the legislation even as negotiations continue in a race to take the first vote on the bill before the financial markets open on Monday.
The markets around the world need to see what we are going to do, White House congressional liaison Eric Ullin said as he emerged from a closed-door meeting with lawmakers. We need a bill now. The markets expect it, the American people expect it, and the economy needs it.
Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell, a Kentucky Republican, said Saturday the Senate will hold a procedural vote on the measure on Sunday and will vote on final passage Monday.
Senate Majority Whip John Thune, a South Dakota Republican, said lawmakers are sticking to that schedule, even though a final deal hasn't been reached.
Thune said lawmakers are negotiating loose ends and have settled some of the major differences over how to provide a cash infusion to unemployed workers sidelined because of the massive economic slowdown brought on by the effort to stop the spread of the virus.
Basically, we know the kind of general contours of what this is going to look like, what the outline is going to be, Thune said. Right now, it's just a question of trying to figure out, plugging in some of the policy, and figuring out where the numbers are.
Thune said Republicans, who are drafting the measure, have agreed to grant Democrats important items on their wish list, but did not give any details.
Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer, a New York Democrat, wants unemployment insurance to provide sidelined workers quickly, with paychecks equal to what they were receiving, for up to 6 months.
We propose that this be not just a one-shot deal, but a paycheck every work period, Schumer said Saturday. And it should go for as long as the crisis lasts. We want to fund it for at least 4 months, maybe 6.
Schumer also called for a massive funding infusion into the nation's healthcare system to help combat the virus.
They are getting what they wanted on unemployment insurance, Thune said, as well as provisions that address the needs of our healthcare community.
The measure includes tens of billions of dollars in loans to the airline industry, which has experienced a major decline in business because of health warnings against airline travel.
Thune said the airlines have asked for grants instead of loans, but the senator said there is little appetite for providing big industries money they won't have to pay back.
The plan will, however, include a $300 billion provision to help small businesses, including forgivable loans if employers don't fire staff.
The airlines will have to pay back their loans.
The airlines are going to have access to a credit facility through the Treasury, Thune said. That would give them working capital to address some of their needs.